Hey everyone, so for today's tips and tricks on Tuesday, it is going to feature an egg. So you may not think about an egg as being useful for gardening, but we actually use a lot of our eggshells in our garden. So after we cook our eggs or we use it for breakfast and we have the eggshell, we typically don't throw it away because the eggshell is full of minerals such as calcium, and those can be deposited into your garden. And I'll show you how. Once you crack the egg, you will end up with an eggshell. Take that eggshell and simply break it into small pieces. And now you can take that eggshell that's full of calcium, which is going to be great for your garden, and it's kind of jaggedy, and if you sprinkle it in your garden along the plants or the flowers, whether you're growing fruits and vegetables or just some pretty flowers, it will deter some of those nasty bugs such as slugs and snails because it's too rough for them to crawl around on. So hopefully this was helpful. Leave a comment, let me know how you use your eggshells and what you do to keep your gardens looking good.